Hello everyone. Today, he will repair an Apple Watch. Replacing the outer screen of the Apple Watch SA. The cracks on the outer screen are quite obvious. Next, he will conduct a test. Testing display and touch. He opens the computer. He taps the screen, and there are no issues. The small display is also fine. Next, he starts to repair the edge of the screen. Inserting a thin blade. Applying some alcohol. Continuing to soften the screen. Gently sliding the adhesive underneath. Cutting the adhesive, the same operation applies to all four sides. After completely cutting the adhesive, he can open the screen. Using tweezers, he carefully pries open the connector. He disconnects the display cable. Cutting around the screen. This makes it easier. He will apply a layer of UV glue on the new screen. He glues the broken screen to the tempered film. Then, he uses a UV light to cure it. This will help adhere the screen. He slowly threads the cutting wire into one corner of the screen. The screen is small. The separation is quickly completed, and he removes the Apple Watch and uses a rolling machine. Rolling off the remaining adhesive. He wipes the screen clean. La la la. He takes out the new cover. Aligning the display with the cover. He places it into the laminating machine. Wait a moment. He is now completing the process. Then, he puts it into a debubbling machine. After processing, he connects the cable to test it. The display is normal, and the touch works. There are no issues. Next, he applies waterproof glue to the watch. Restoring the airtightness, the outer screen of the watch is repaired. Done. La la la. Thank you. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.